Lloyd, and our master teacher one, Mrs. Angeline Mercado, to join us on stage to present these tokens of appreciation.
Allow me to read the content of this plaque. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 4A, Calabarzon, Schools Division of Batangas, Lobo South Office, Lobo Senior High School. Awards this plaque of recognition to, in grateful acknowledgement of his invaluable presence and commendable service and dedication as guests of honor and speaker during the recognition day of Lobo Senior High School. The entire Lobo Senior High School community will remember his insightful sharing on the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa Bulatang na kinabukasan ng Bagong Pilipinas. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Lobo Town Plaza, Poblacion, Lobo, Batangas, signed by Principal 1, Donna Susana A. Budoy. This plaque of recognition is given to Sir Arnel D. Gari.
Another big round of applause. Also ask for the presence of my co-teachers here up on stage. Ang bibigyan ni attention at teaching and non-teaching staff.
All teachers, non-teaching and teaching personnel, I request all of you to come here on stage for a photo opportunity. Teachers, please remain here on stage. Teachers call.
The attention of our teaching and non-teaching staff for another photo opportunity.
Once again, teachers call.
Ate, naka-video naman.
Thank you so much.
Once again, thank you so much to our guest of honor.